Today, Joburg TV is at Luthuli House, where the Alexandra Property Owners' Rights and the Alexandra Land and Property Owners Association demanding restitution of their rightful property forcibility removed in 1968 by the apartheid regime. Later on, we are moving to the Gauteng Premier's office, where the community health workers are demanding an increase.
Igama lami ndinguvakele wakambalukwana from Alexandra Property Owners' Rights. Next to me were Alexandra Land and Property Associations POA. Together we are here to protest over the delay or the lack of the government or the ruling party that has been stalling these title deeds for years. We've done everything. We've been signed a statement of intent so that our properties may be restored. But up to date, nothing is happening. We are now fed up. We've come to protest, and this may be the last protest.
Furthermore, we demand that the ANC, as the ruling party, is responsible for expropriating our land. We were expropriated by the apartheid government. When our government came in, they continued to expropriate our properties. There's no order in Alexandra, and deliberately so, because someone is benefiting from the halabaloo in Alexandra. We say now or never, because from now on we'll rather take to the streets and do whatever for you as government to listen to us, because we are angry. It's been a long time. We've signed the statement of intent. We're supposed to start talking as to how we implement the task in Alexandra, but to date nobody's coming forth. Paul Mashatile was MEC when we signed. He did nothing. As Mntwana was Alexander, Cyril Segangenile as our president, Naya Agayenzi next. So we'll leave our members to do whatever they are tired. We've been trying to control them not to enter into violence. But if you don't listen to us, that's the only alternative that we'll undertake.
Size la eLuthuli House sizocomplaina silethi isikhalo sethu sama title deeds wethu. Kufanele ngabe baletha kudala sisayine imemorandum 2 years ago ayikakadeliverwa namanje. So sifuna ama-title deeds wethu, sifuna ukuthi uCyril Ramaphosa i-president naye ayazi le ndaba ukuthi fanele ukuthi bazocheck e-Alexandra ngoba abezi e-Alexandra all together, noma sibabiza noma sifaka ama-report wethu abezi e-Alexandra. So that is why today sifuna ukuthi besize la sizofaka i-report yethu bazi ukuthi i-Alexandra is still isesenjalo i-dumping place. We live like pigs e-Alexandra. They don't care about Alexandra. So we are angry. Manje sisithatha ama-further steps esikhathele yibo. Billions and billions are pumped in Alexandra, but they are not working for us in Alexandra. We are suffering. There's no new houses in Alexandra. There's no development in Alexandra. But the government is busy. We pump billions and billions. We don't know what to pay. We want our properties back to the develop Alexandra. So Zakela abantu base Alexandra. So we want our titles. That's why we are here.
We later moved on to the Premier's office, where the community health workers are pleading for a wage increase.
Sizelana because siya promise every day, but kunemali engenile engange 1,000 rand engenele wonke ama CHW. So bathi sayinelwe nge-12 June until 12 June next year 2019, but angeke sithole i-back pay yakhona and bebe promise ukuthi izongena end of July, but till now ayingenanga. So that's why sila, because sibona ngathi izobloke i-postpone i-date yokuthi ingene. Thank you.
I'm at Department of Health. We are from Department of Health. We are CHWs, and then we are councillors and carers. We are here today to demand our standardization from Premier's office, Barclays, and then other thing is about outsourcing. Department of Health is outsourcing us, and we are sick and tired of outsourcing. And then we have other uncontracted CHWs. We need Department of Health to send back the CHWCs back to work. This is what we are here about today.